You can explore data from any InfoCube and SAP HANA by creating an information space based on a connection stored in the repository. During this process, you select the measures, facets, and filters that you want users to have access to. Note that the connection to the SAP HANA system must first be created in the Central Management Console or the Information Design tool. Refer to the appropriate tutorial for details on how to complete this prerequisite. In this tutorial, you will create an information space based on the ANPV Fashion InfoCube and SAP HANA. Note that this tutorial was recorded using the SAP Business Objects Business Intelligence Platform, version 14.0.0.760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Create a new information space for SAP HANA. Note that you must have the appropriate BI platform rights to create information spaces and save them to a public folder. Click Manage Spaces. The sources list contains all data sources and public folders. Note that the SAP High Performance Analytic Appliance 1.0 node appears only if the appropriate type of connection is available in the repository. Click plus to expand the HANA connection. Click to scroll down. Select the PVE Fashion, ANPV Fashion InfoCube. Create a new information space called HANA and save it to a public folder. Click New. Type HANA, and then click the folder list. Click plus to expand public folders. Click to scroll down. Select Information Spaces. Next, add the measures and facets that users will be able to explore. Click the Objects tab. Note that the Occurrences measure is available by default in the new information space. Add the other measures available in the InfoCube. Double-click the Margin measure. Double-click the Amount Sold measure. Double-click the Quantity Sold measure. Note that you cannot change the aggregation method, for example sum or average, for a measure within the information space. If you want to use a different aggregation method, you must change it in the SAP HANA InfoCube. Next, add the facets for the information space. Double-click the Manager dimension. Click plus to expand the ATPV article folder. Double-click the Family Name dimension. Double-click the Category dimension. Click plus to expand the AT Color folder. Double-click the Color Label dimension. Double-click the Color Code dimension. Click plus to expand the ATPV Calendar folder. Double-click the Year dimension. Double-click the Quarter dimension. Double-click the Month dimension. Once you have added the desired facets, you can group, rename, and reorder them as required. Create a new group, and then click and drag the facets that contain information about the manager, family name, category, and color into it. Click Create a new group. Select the new group. Click Rename. Type information, and then press Enter. Select the Manager facet. Press Ctrl and select the Family Name facet. Press Ctrl and select the Category facet. Press Ctrl and select the Color Label facet. Press Ctrl and select the Color Code facet. Click the selected facets to drag them into the information folder. You can also pre-select facets and create a group for them. Group the time-related facets together. Click to scroll down. Select the Year facet. Press Ctrl and select the Quarter facet. Press Ctrl and select the Month facet. Click Create a new group. Select the new group. Click Rename. Type Time, and then press Enter. If required, you can rename facets to make them easier for users to identify. Replace the abbreviations for the time-related facets with the appropriate full names. Select the Quarter facet. Click Rename. Type Quarter, and then press Enter. Select the Year facet. Click Rename. Type Year, and then press Enter. Select the Month facet. Click Rename. Type Month, and then press Enter. You can also reorder the facets where appropriate. change the order of the time-related facets to reflect the appropriate hierarchy, and move the entire group below the other facets. Select the year facet. Click Move Up. Select the time group. Click Move Down. Review the other display options for the facets. Click the facet display list. Note that you can show facets in the order listed, show a representative from each group, or show facets in whatever order facilitates filtering. Retain the original order. Select Show Facets in the defined order. Finally, save the information space. Click OK. Once the information space is created, you must index it before users can explore it. Click Index Now. Click the Home tab. Click Refresh List. Note that the HANA information space is now available for exploration. You have successfully created an information space for an SAP HANA InfoCube. This is the end of the tutorial.